Music maestro A.R. Rahman will be the chief guest for closing ceremony of IFFI 2015. The closing ceremony will be held on 30th of November. The musical treat will collide with the Argentina's Oscar entry The Clan, which would be the closing film. Directed by Academy Award winner Tom Hooper, Danish Girl will be the mid-fest film. The 46th edition of the film festival will be held from November 20th to 30th in Goa. House Committee constituted to explore regularization of Dhiros held its first meet yesterday. Committee has invited suggestions and objections from the stakeholders, supporters and opponents of Dhiro by 10th of December. Committee plans to prepare a report on Dhiro regularization by February. House Committee Chairman Vishnu Wagh informed that committee will organize public meetings to know sentiments of the people towards legalizing Dhiros in the state.
नेक्स्ट हियरिंग आता आमची 15 तारखेला पण आम्ही अपील करता गोंयच्या सगळ्या लोकांक की हेजे संदर्भातली आपली मतां तांणी हाऊस कमिटी कडेन धाडून दिवची रोखडीच एड येतली लेजिस्लेचर मार्फत की ताका हे करून इन रायटींग ताणें आपली मतां कितें आसती दिवची सगळ्यांनी. कांय गांवांनी प्रमुख गांवांनी एक पब्लीक हियरिंग घेतले ओपन ग्राउंडाचेर की कितले लोक येता जावं आतां समर्थनाक कितले लोक आहा हें पळोवपा खातीर आनी ताणें जे बुल्स पळय ते हें करता तेंचेय बीन एक तांकांय घेवन येवचें म्हणून अपील करतले. आमी कांय कडेन वचून स्टडी करतले की बुल्सांक खंयच्या कंडिशनान दवरतात ते कशी तांची काळजी घेतात तांकां हेल्थ वायज कितें हें आसता प्रॉब्लेम आसता आनी ते रेक्टिफाय कशें करतात चारो कितें घालता तेंचे बाकीचें हें कशें तांकां दवरतात ते काळजी घेता हेजी एक वेगळी स्टडी जातली. आज बुल्सांची जागा मशिनांनी घेतल्या सो जें हार्ड वर्क पळय बुल करी ते आतां करपाक तांकां मेळना. हेजो कितें परिणाम तेंचेर शारिरीक दृश्ट्या आनी मानसीक दृश्ट्या जावं येता हेजी बीन एक स्टडी आमी वेटरिनरी पळय जे सायकोलॉजिस्ट आहा किंवा वेटरिनरी जे एक्सपर्ट्स आहा तांकां आमच्या मुखार हाडटले आनी ती एक वेगळी स्टडी एक केस स्टडी म्हणून आमी हाजे बरोबर जोडटले.
House Committee will meet again on 15 December as the last date for suggestions, objections and inputs is 10 December. Later, it will prepare the report by February. Reporter Mahesh Gadi with Devendra Gaonkar for Prudent.
Mapsa and Talegaon ODPs are in the final stage. 20 lakh square meters of paddy-filled area spanning from Khorli to Morod in Mapsa will be converted and made a commercial zone. North Goa PDA Chairman Michael Lobo informed media yesterday. He said that agitating field owners will be compensated by allotting developed land area. Mapsa and Talegaon ODPs will be sent to government by 20th December for further approvals.
And Mapsa Town and Country Planning Scheme, which is taking shape, will be marked in the ODP. Around 20 lakh square meters of land will be declared as Town and Country Planning Scheme. The land which starts from Khorlim, which will end up to Morod at Mapsa. All that land which is there, which are today as paddy fields, will be marked in the ODP as Town and Country Planning Scheme. That will be developed in phases, commercial. All those field owners who are agitating and all, they will get 250% FAR. 20th of December, both the ODPs, that is Mapsa ODP and Talegaon ODP will be sent to the government for draft ODP will be sent to the government. You need to decongest Mapsa city and bring all the government offices and everything outside.
Kalangut BJP MLA slammed Congress for politicizing proposed Defence Expo in Betul.
This Defence Expo will bring at least 2 lakh Indian tourists coming into Goa. The way Congress sold our prime land in terms of they did some SEZ, special economic zones, prime land which was given, which was sold to non-Goans, outsiders. This land will never come back to us. This is still in the courts. We have decided to scrap the Mala market project.
Chetan Gavas for Prudent.
Kala Academy is all set to start Gurukul system. Music students and lovers can take the advantage of the system. Chairman of Kala Academy Vishnu Wagh informed that working people can take advantage of Gurukul system. Decision was taken during the first executive board meeting of Kala Academy.
नॉर्मल आमचे क्लास जाले की 7च्या नंतर 6:30च्या नंतर हे क्लासेस कला अकादमीत सुरू करतले जानेवारीच्यान. हे क्लासेसूय बी जाणकाराच्या मार्गदर्शना सकयल जातले आनी ते फक्त जे नोकरी किंवा अशें हें करतात तांचेच खातीर ओपन आसतले रेग्युलर स्टुडंट आमी हाका घेवचे ना.
Kala Academy has also asked the government to hand over Agwat Fort and Sankwari Kala Mandir to the Academy. Academy is planning shows for the tourists at Agwada and Kala Mandir.
कोट आगवादचो किल्लो आमी मागला आमचे कडेन. थंय आमकां आमी गोंयच्या स्वातंत्र्य लढ्याचेर आधारीत सावंड एंड लायट शो हो आमी थंय करपाक सोदतात. हो शो करपा फाटल्यान आमचो उद्देश आसा की गोंयचो एक इतिहास कळचो. दुसरी गोष्ट ट्युरिस्टांक एक कितें तरी वेगळो एवेन्यू मेळचो पळोवपा सारको की हांगा येवन फकत बोटींग करून आनी कॅजिनोचेर वचून आनी हें करून गोंय पळोवन जावचें ना. जें सांकवाळाचें कलाभवन आहा सद्या अपूर्णावस्थेन आसा आनी तें अर्देंच बांदून तशेंच उरलां. सो आमी ताजें इन्स्पेक्शन बी करून आयल्यात आनी सरकारा कडेन आमी डिमांड केल्लें की तें आमचे कडेन सोंपोवचें. आमी थंय वेगळें कितें तरी करपाक सोदता म्हणून.
Kala Academy has decided to produce films on its own.
एक निर्णय म्हणजे आतां कला अकादमीन एक डिसिजन घेतलां की आमच्या लेवलाचेर कला अकादमीच्या लेवलाचेर एक परिपूर्ण अशें सर्वांगान गोंयकारपणाक उठाव दिवपी अशा एका चित्रपटाची आमी निर्मिती करता. की आमचे कडेन सगळी बाकीची मशिनरी आहा. आर्टिस्ट आसात आमचे कडेन, कलाकार आसात आमचे कडेन, टॅक्निशियन्स आसात, आमचे बाकीचे पॅराफर्नेलिया आसा.
Omkar Farari for Prudent.
We'll take a short break here. Stay tuned.